Invest money.
Okay, let me
You go chop
yeah, let's go.
It don't happen for
No,
the yard
it don't is straight. It don't happen. It don't happen for the yard again.
It don't happen.
Day two, very insightful.
Yo, day two. In fact, I'm literally blown away the amount of talent we have. We gave them some pointers yesterday, which they took away. Some of them refined and fine-tuned their songs and brought it back.
We got to see the participants and their, like their scratch work, like ideas of what they wanted to bring together. And quite frankly, I'm impressed because they took notes.
After day two, I can tell that the energy is building, momentum is building, so many things are changing.
It's been impressive, and coming from yesterday to today, why I say it's impressive is these guys didn't have a lot of time. Like, they had a matter of hours to turn what was their scratch work from yesterday into something they could play today.
From a certain sect of them, it's going to be difficult for us to pick out the winner because there are a lot of them that are very good. But as usual, since you have given us this heavy burden as judges, what more can we do, So yeah, that's it.